Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Update Razer Synapse firmware on a PC, charge the BlackShark V2 Pro above 50%, and power it on. Once done, hold the headset pairing button for 3-4 seconds to enter pairing mode. The LED will pulse. Make sure your Xbox has the Razer wireless USB dongle or a compatible Bluetooth adapter ready. Xbox consoles do not support all Bluetooth headsets natively, so using the dongle or official Xbox wireless is usually required. With the dongle inserted, wait for the Xbox to recognize and install drivers. You may see a short notification. Then, put the headset in pairing mode again. When the LED becomes steady, the dongle and headset should link automatically. Next, open Xbox settings right arrow devices and connections right arrow accessories or audio to select the headset as both output and chat device. Make sure volume and mic monitoring are set. This prevents mismatches between game audio and party chat once you join a session. Finish by testing both game audio and your microphone in a party lobby. Speak and listen to confirm levels. If audio fails, power cycle the headset, unplug and reinsert the USB dongle, then repair. Many issues clear with a fresh handshake. If problems persist, update headset firmware via Razer Synapse, ensure Xbox system updates are installed, and inspect the dongle for debris. One key tip: if chat is faint, adjust mic monitoring and headset volume before troubleshooting further. That often fixes perceived mic problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.